German soldiers entered World War II believing something they had been taught their entire lives, that black soldiers were weak, untrained, inferior. Then they met them on the battlefield, and everything they believed began to collapse.
Nazi propaganda was relentless. German troops were told black American soldiers would panic under fire, that they couldn't fight effectively, that they would break at the first sign of danger. Many German soldiers went into battle expecting an easy fight. But then came the first encounters. Not chaos, not fear. What German soldiers saw instead was discipline. Units advancing under fire, holding positions, returning fire with precision. This wasn't what they were promised. Some German soldiers later admitted they were stunned. These men didn't retreat. They didn't crumble. They fought while protecting each other, while staying organized, while refusing to back down. Here's the irony. Many of these soldiers were fighting for freedoms they themselves didn't fully have back home. They faced segregation, discrimination, yet on the battlefield they stood their ground against one of the most brutal armies in history. In private letters and post-war accounts, some German soldiers admitted the truth. What they faced didn't match the propaganda at all. Reality was louder than ideology, and bullets don't care about lies. War has a way of stripping away myths, of forcing people to confront reality face to face. For German soldiers, meeting black American troops wasn't just a military surprise. It was a moment when hatred taught in classrooms collapsed under fire. They expected weakness. They found strength. They expected propaganda to be true. They learned the hard way that courage doesn't belong to one race, one nation, or one idea. And on those battlefields, truth won. If you want more untold stories from history that challenge what we think we know, subscribe and keep questioning the past.